Hey guys, welcome back to the I Exist Despite podcast where we talk about whatever we want to. The other day I was talking to my mom about like future stuff, and I asked her, "Where do you see me in 10 years?" And she said, "In your brother's basement."
She's true. She said true.
Yeah. Anyway, roll the intro music.
So I've got this really funniest teacher for my coaching. So this guy has like a really characteristic thing कि वो क्या करते हैं कि ये फिजिकल क्लासेस में और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी अब उनको कोई टॉपिक समझाना होगा ना, लाइक रेगुलर टीचर्स को, अच्छा बेटा आपको ये मैंने टॉपिक कराया, आपको समझ आया, he does the topic and says फील आ रही है, जब वो समझ तो तुम लोगे लेकिन फीलिंग आनी चाहिए, फीलिंग
फील आ
कराओ
रही
तुम।
है।
ये फिजिक्स के सर थे क्या?
हाँ फिजिक्स के सर थे।
मेरी बात सुनो, फिजिक्स,
ये
मैथ्स और
level of-
अकाउंट्स।
ये
Right.
लेवल ऑफ वियर्डनेस ना अकाउंट्स और फिजिक्स के सर्च के अंदर ही होती है।
Yeah.
मेरे एक और सर
People
थे
too
ओ लेवल से
emotionally
फिजिक्स
attached
के,
to their subject.
मेरे एक ओ लेवल के फिजिक्स के सर थे, वो भी ये करते थे, बच्चों को अजीब अजीब निकनेम्स देते थे। मुझे कभी कहते थे वजाहतुल्लाह वास्ती, जो मुझे बाद में पता चला कि कोई क्रिकेट का प्लेयर था। मुझे मामू तैयब भी कहे, किसी बच्चे को ओ मौलाना शेखुर रफीक, ऐसे अजीब से नाम।
अबे सरसाया भी इस तरह करते हैं ना।
Yep,
सरसाया
like he nicknamed me a question mark apparently because man said like शुरू के 2-3 classes
You don't
और
even
बाथरूम
want
वाली स्टोरी सुनाई, बाथरूम वाली स्टोरी
because
सुनाते
you
हैं।
don't even want to effort Abbas.
एक हमारी क्लास में एक लड़का था जो फोटोग्राफी सोसाइटी में था ना, तो वो कैमरा लेके घूमता था पूरी स्कूल में। वो क्लास के लिए लेट आया, उसके पास कैमरा था, लटक रहा था उसमें, तो वो सर उससे पूछते कहाँ से आ रहे हो, तो वो बोलता है बाथरूम से आ रहे हो। बोला बाथरूम में कैमरा लेके क्या कर रहे थे?
यार
Like that would
Okay,
have been
so
a
I
very
think that's
difficult situation.
yeah. फिर वो क्या जवाब दे, मतलब बाथरूम
आधा
फोटोग्राफर,
घंटे-
उसको निकनेम दे दिया था बाथरूम फोटोग्राफर।
यार वो आधा घंटे तो लेट आते हैं, उनके पास जोक बनाने का टाइम कहाँ से बचता है?
मेरे क्लास 8 के अंदर एक मैथ्स के टीचर होते थे he was a very sweet guy, ठीक है। वो हमारी क्लास के अंदर we were like कोई 40 बच्चे थे क्लास के अंदर, और कोई ध्यान नहीं देता था, और वो कहते थे बच्चों मैं अपनी एनर्जीज डाल रहा हूँ आपको पढ़ाने के अंदर और आप लोग मेरी बात का ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो। और उसके बाद बोलते he got so sad, he was like आप मेरी फीलिंग्स हर्ट कर रहे हैं।
I mean, I get it. Like
It's
that
sad, but
person
it's
would
also
have been really
funny.
passionate. But when you said
नहीं,
मैं
I
अपनी
get that,
energies
he
डाल
was
रहा हूँ,
such a nice guy.
अगर
अपनी
when
energies
you
डाल
said
रहा हूँ आपको
यार-
मैं अपनी
यार-
I could like picture some kind of a superhero or something. They've got like this special energy and they're just like
Telepathically.
beaming it into the students.
So this week, but more like 2 months because we haven't recorded in 2 months, Pakistani kids named Shafqat Mahmood as the sexiest man alive.
कुछ भी
week
भाई,
ago,
कुछ
Shafqat
भी।
Mahmood announced that we are closing the schools back down in Pakistan, and
Yeah.
people celebrated on social media and on the streets. Nange naach rahe the sab.
and
Oh,
apparently his
execution.
name
भाई इतना नेक इंसान है, पता नहीं ये वो है भाई, सारे
Yeah.
गुनाह तो इन्होंने ही धो दिए उसके।
I saw that. Like,
अभी सारे
even those
उछल
are
रहे हैं।
like people were not that happy. Like, आधे लोग they were not happy about schools closing. फिर भी
like the hell.
यार अभी
that
अभी
was
अभी
zero.
अभी ये लोग सारे उछल रहे हैं, जब मतलब 8-9 वाले तो उछलते ही रहेंगे, ये जो जिनके बोर्ड एग्जाम है ना इस
हाँ।
साल, वो अभी तो उछल रहे हैं। एग्जाम के टाइम पे जब रोना आएगा ना, सारी इनकी बददुआएं निकलेंगी कि हमें कुछ आता नहीं है अब।
यार मैंने जुनैद
That's-
अकरम पे सुना था,
that's-
जुनैद अकरम पे सुना था कि कुछ लोग जो फेसबुक पे पोस्ट कर रहे थे कि क्या हाल आ गया है कि हमारे पास जब स्कूल्स बंद होती हैं तो सब सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं, लेकिन जब टिकटॉक बंद हो जाता है तो सब धरने करते हैं। तो जुनैद अकरम को
Obviously.
किसी का जवाब आया था कि आप अगर देख लो कि स्कूल का किस तरह माहौल बना दिया, उन्होंने प्रेशर जिस तरह स्टूडेंट्स पे डालते हैं, जिस तरह का स्ट्रेस बनता है, तो ऑब्वियसली जब ये बंद करेंगे तो वो सेलिब्रेट ही करेंगे और टिकटॉक एक स्ट्रेस रिलीवर है तो वो उसको सेलिब्रेट ही करेंगे.
Yeah, obviously you can't compare school
with
with
an entertainment
a
or
pastime
social
like
media.
TikTok.
TikTok.
हाँ, especially that.
There is
वो
a
तो
case
वैसे
for
भी
like making education more practical, more useful, and less stressful for kids. I guess this is
Well,
like a
हाँ.
a sort of
The
a
I do
only place
agree.
that
Like,
education gets like practical aspect जो education का होता है ना वो like
हाँ.
यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएट होने के बाद का और
हाँ,
इंटर्नशिप के दौरान वाले जो कोर्सेज होते हैं ना वो होते हैं प्रैक्टिकल like उससे
Yeah,
पहले का सारा all
apart
of
from
that
the
is just
practical thing, apart from the practical thing, schooling या like studies in general are stressful और मतलब एक होता है
yeah.
ना, you can't compare it to बस TikTok. I can't even describe it as a pastime. It's, I don't know.
Yeah, I guess true.
it's something
Right.
different.
Okay. In other news and politics, Dubai's ruler is now on TikTok.
oh my
भाई
god
कुछ भी हो रहा है भाई,
हाँ,
मतलब कुछ भी हो
like,
रहा है.
वो जो है ना वो पहन के वो नाच रहे होंगे दिलबर उस पे करेगा
Speaking
डांस.
of speaking of rulers being on social media sites, let us take a minute to remember how often Trump tweeted.
Oh my god, I am so glad that is over.
Oh.
That is also something else in news. I don't know why that skipped my mind. But we have no more Trump.
Trump
because
card is
because
no
that
more.
it has been like a 2 months or 3 months or something. I don't know. It feels like half a year
It feels like an
since
entire
Biden got
year has
elected.
passed
It was
since
a
the
solid
election.
year.
जा ही नहीं रहा वो.
Yeah, it seems like a year since the election, and it seems like a year since in Trump going, "Nahi, we're gonna sue them, and we're gonna do this, and
Yeah.
we're gonna do that."
You
and
know
we're
what?
gonna
Let's do ourselves and let's do the people a favor and let's never talk about Trump ever again.
Yeah, he didn't exist.
He
let's
never
just move on.
existed.
Who's Trump?
2016 and
about
2020 were
16
a
से 20 तक
scam.
होगा ही कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. जब पूछेंगे
It was a
बच्चे हमारे
scam.
16 से 20 के बीच में क्या होता, क्या मतलब 16 के बाद 20 तो आया था, खत्म हो गई बात.
There was monarchy.
Yeah.
Anarchy. There was anarchy.
Anarchy, हाँ.
By the way, 2020 से याद है कोरोना वायरस के बारे में. टॉम क्रूज की जो नई फिल्म आ रही है इम्पॉसिबल 1000, उसके अंदर there was this, did you guys hear about the outbreak thing?
Uh-huh.
He had an outburst, Tom Cruise.
Yeah,
Yep,
we
like I
heard
saw it
about
on
it.
Facebook. There was like this post about it where there was like that Tom Cruise had that really rare moment of anger.
We are creating thousands of jobs, you I don't ever want to see it again. Ever.
Like I have never seen him or heard of him yell in any interview or anything, and it was just like really shocking.
Yeah,
You guys
he's
think he has a
usually
point,
a
though?
pretty. He has a point, and especially considering like he's away from home, or like all these precautions movie stars are taking while filming,
Yeah.
and some people just hanging out, chilling, and like risking everyone else, shutting down the production that's really expensive. And I think he's a producer on that movie as well, so it's
Yeah.
gonna waste his money, and they're gonna risk his health. So
I think I saw
Also-
on Colbert कि Stephen Colbert बोल रहा था कि this is gonna be like an example for future productions on if in this like pandemic times में can you even make a film? Can you even make a movie? Given all of the SOPs and whatnot. So I guess
And they
some
don't
other
have
people
much of a
think it was
choice.
too
It
rude, I
is
guess.
a very, very big industry.
Yeah.
They can't shut it down, obviously.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, they're taking so many precautions, matlab, daily COVID tests and whatnot, and so much money is going into it. So, matlab,
Daily COVID
it makes
test, what?
sense.
Everyone
Daily,
has
huh?
to get a test every day before they come into work, I think. Yeah.
Haan.
It is a painful test.
No,
No,
it's
it's
not
not painful. It's mildly annoying at best. It's not
Yeah,
painful.
this
The COVID
stick
test?
something up
No,
your
it just
nose.
goes up your nose and it like tickles a little bit and that's it.
Yeah, it's not painful. painful. It's just
It doesn't
weird.
tickle.
It's
No,
weird.
It's not a good.
It scratches your brain, but like it's
It
not.
does not scratch
Huh.
your
It
brain.
does not
Mama.
scratch
It
your
does.
brain, Mama. What the
It
hell?
feels like
It feels like it's scratching your brain, but like
You've heard
yeah,
it
it just
tickle
It
my
doesn't
funny
scratch
bone.
your brain because you have nothing up there.
Nice.
oh my god, Zel, that was such a grade 2
I am
joke.
on fire today. Do you guys ever think
Literally.
we'll reach the point of Ryan Toys if we keep going like this? A
No.
9-year-old kid who makes toy reviews is now the highest paid YouTuber in the world. Actually, he already
Yeah.
was, but is saal bhi wo-
Let me.
If I didn't feel useless before, I do now.
नहीं यार,
No,
I
the thing
felt
is,
useless
Mama,
after Baby Shark
he
video.
makes $200 million a year, by the way.
Mama, because yeah, it's
You
all about the
Useless.
सारे
algorithm.
बच्चे पागल हुए हुए हैं यार.
Because
नहीं
kids
नहीं
watch the
it's
same
it's
thing
all
over and
about
over
stupid
again.
dumb kids. Yeah, I
Don't-
have 2 younger cousins who it's like cancer, okay? They keep on watching it, watching random kids just running around, opening toys, playing it with it, throwing things, wasting food. I want to physically slap the shit out of those people.
यार
And
हाँ,
I
I
will.
agree. और वो
I
और उनपे कितने
agree.
views आ रहे होते हैं.
And,
Like
and,
there's
This is a
and then
billions
future
of views on like
doctor,
toy
ladies and
review
gentlemen.
videos.
this is why I can never be a pediatrician. What was that high whistle note? Abis is like,
That is how
Abis,
Abis's laughter.
Abis is hitting new levels now, bhai. Ariana Grande. who-
So the
Beginning.
Arturul guy came to Pakistan. Did you guys hear about that?
Yep.
Yeah, he got scammed, by the way. Did he get scammed or did everyone, like the other guys got?
No, he did not. The other guy got.
I
Like he
still
went
don't
to jail,
understand
right?
the
So
whole
the story
story.
is कि जिस बंदे he got invited to Pakistan as a guest, all like paid expenses, everything by this other guy who got arrested for like drug trafficking and other stuff. And ये वाला बंदा बस पैसे लेके अर्तुगरुल वाला एक्टर पैसे लेके भाग गया और सब पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स जो है वो पीछे पड़ गए भाई.
यार एक तो
ऐसा
I
था,
don't
like-
understand ये इतना पागल क्यों हो रहे हैं पाकिस्तान. मतलब I get it. Oh my god, it's a भाई phenomenal show. इतना भी phenomenal नहीं है. It's okay, it's good. लेकिन इतना पागल हुए हैं बस उनको भरी चली जा रहे हैं पैसे, sponsorships, इतने महंगे महंगे गिफ्ट. भाई इतना पसंद है तो भाई उनको बुला
शादी
लिया,
कर लो।
मैनेजमेंट हो गया, मिल लिए. चुप करो यार, वो नहीं करने वाली शादी किसी से यहाँ पे. तो मतलब फैन इवेंट हो गई, सही है, चलो ठीक है, बुला लिया, 1-2 स्पॉन्सरशिप डील्स हो गई, सही है भाई. उनको तो फिर ये चली जा रहे हैं, पैसे वैसे है नहीं पाकिस्तान में अपने अपने वो पूरे करने के कोई
गरीब
पैसे है
मुल्क
नहीं,
है,
अपनी
गरीब
इंडस्ट्री
मुल्क
पे
है, लेकिन
पैसे दिए.
अर्तुगरुल के लिए पैसे हैं.
अब भाई अर्तुगरुल को भाई वो लाखों की अंगूठियां दिए चली जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं कौन सी महंगे महंगे शरारे देने वाली बात.
शरारे.
अब यार there was this photo shoot, पता नहीं कौन सा, तो like Pakistani style bridal makeup किया था, and they gifted the sharara apparently. I don't know. I don't
Like,
follow
I'll
Lollywood.
say this
He'll
again,
have a
like
skirt.
this
Mama, you
is
still
this
know
is
more than us.
this is the level of normal fandom, and this is the level of okay, now you're my new daddy, and this is the level that
Oh,
Pakistanis have reached with Artugrul.
यार मतलब पागल हो गए.
But the
It's
guy who
not even
scammed, like the guy who
not
got
even that
arrested,
good.
की शक्ल
कितने
देखी तुम लोगों ने?
नहीं. Don't
मतलब
judge
बड़ा
people
ही-
by their shakals, and that's offensive.
नहीं, लेकिन वो बड़ा ही मतलब उसकी शक्ल से दिख रहा है कि ये बंदा जो है वो कोई वो है, स्कैमर है.
He looks like his
Zen,
face
लेकिन
don't
draws
be a
in a
उसकी
puppo.
फोटो
mugshot.
लगी तो मैं
Zen,
लगा
don't be a
दूंगा.
puppo. Zen, don't be a puppo.
Yeah,
नहीं,
हाँ.
तुम लोग देखोगे ना
That's-
तुमको पता चलेगा. Anyways,
Yeah, we-
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यार ये मतलब 10 एपिसोड से अर्तुगरुल मर ही रहे, वो फिर मरते उठ गया, फिर मर रहा है, पता नहीं क्या सीन चल रहा है. क्योंकि मेरा
देखा?
यदि
कजन
तुम देखती हो अर्तुगरुल,
नहीं, मेरा
हाँ.
कजन देख रहा होता है और वो मुझे सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहती हैं.
यार वो पीछे लंबे लंबे गाने चल रहे होते हैं. आई थिंक इसके बारे में हम बात कर चुके हैं वैसे, लेकिन वो पीछे
यार
लंबे
इनके
लंबे गाने चल रहे होते हैं, एक दूसरे को
इनके
ऐसे
पास-
करके देख रहे होते हैं.
ये इनके पास
ये
दो
हाँ,
काम है,
और
एक तो ये
sports
शादियां करते
वगैरह।
रहते हैं, एक तो ये शादियां करते रहते हैं, या तो ये जंगे करते रहते हैं, और वो एक और रहते है वो साजिशें करती रहती है, फ्रॉम
हाँ
व्हाट आई नो।
हाँ,
बस और
एक
कुछ
औरत
नहीं
होगी
है।
जो साजिश वाली होती है, बस एक
Also,
होती
it's
है।
very sexist that वो
ड्रामे में
एक
खुद को
औरत है,
डाल
like
दिया
why is
साजिश
there no
वाली
uncle
औरत,
doing
नहीं नहीं,
साजिशें
अंकल भी
also
होता
now?
है,
known
अंकल
as
भी होता है।
सास in a Pakistani drama.
Shit.
the sass.
I see why Pakistanis like that drama so much, because oh my god,
पता है
Ertugrul bhai,
टर्किश
हर
ड्रामे
चीज
और
है।
पाकिस्तानी ड्रामों में फर्क सबसे बड़ा ये है कि टर्किश ड्रामों में आदमी लोग भी साजिशें करते हैं, लाइक आदमी भी होता है एक बंदा, जैसे
But see,
फर्स्ट
that is
सीजन में वो नहीं था उसका
unrealistic.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड।
नहीं,
What?
like
Maria?
Women are scum. Sorry.
You all heard the new Taylor Swift album?
ये क्या घटिया इंट्रो था?
ये जाएगा, ये जाएगा।
नहीं, नहीं।
I will compare how you guys disrespect me compared to how the episodes went with my sister.
Because she's a
I-
sister, you
I
know.
was
Good
laughing.
in that.
I was laughing at their reaction, like तुमने end में ना
नहीं तो by the way, लेकिन Taylor Swift का album, like I was surprised कि at the first, like I usually don't like Taylor Swift types के गाने, folklore मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था, लेकिन ये वाली I actually liked it. Almost all of the songs were really catchy to me.
Yeah, because then you love being miserable. That's what it says about you.
What the hell?
Because yeah,
ये वो
yeah, why?
BuzzFeed वाला quiz यही बनाती है, BuzzFeed वाले quiz.
I don't have that kind of spare time. Then I'm a
We
busy
will tell
woman.
you. We will tell you your type of
Busy woman,
personality
lol.
by the best album that you like of Taylor Swift वाले वो type के. तो तुम्हें ये वाली album नहीं अच्छी लगी, इस तरह बोल रही हो?
नहीं, I loved the album, but I was like, why is Taylor Swift attacking my feelings like that? I am already sad. Leave me be. But then
You know what's my
I will
favorite
continue
song?
to listen to all
I
those
think this
songs
is an
and
unpopular opinion because
हाँ?
not many people like the song. But I think Nobody No Crime जो है ना, वो जो एक type का
then
story,
that's a pretty popular opinion.
it is.
Then
I
literally
am
everybody
popular now.
dying over Nobody
Anyways,
No Crime.
लेकिन
Literally
Nobody
people.
No Crime में जो story बता, जिस तरह story telling वाले गाने होते हैं ना, पुराने
हाँ.
जमाने में इस तरह के होते
like
थे.
I
They used to like.
I
Have you
really
heard Billie
liked it
Jean?
about Taylor Swift, like
Billie
वो
Jean,
storytelling
Michael
वाली
Jackson
हाँ?
का Smooth Criminal, वो सारे they all tell stories, right?
Hmm.
इस पे भी story बता रही है ना, I love that. I love that.
Yeah,
Then
I really liked it about
And
Taylor
Michael
Swift.
Jackson की
if you listen to like Taylor Swift की whole albums, there are a lot of songs that didn't make it into singles, but they were like Nobody No Crime, like they tell whole stories, because that's what Taylor Swift songs are famous
Listen,
for.
I'm
वो
pretty
पूरी
new to
story
Taylor
सुनाती
Swift.
है.
I know that's crazy, but I'm new to listening to Taylor Swift songs like this.
Nice.
ऐसे
We've
हाँ,
all
because
been
you were
there
the
when
edgy
she
boy,
died.
because
You are in a
you didn't like
mama's.
Taylor Swift because it was cool, because oh my god, we hate Taylor Swift, it's so cool, oh my god. You were like one of those, right?
I was not one of those people. Anyways, तुम लोग को विलो जो गाना था उसके अंदर ऐसा फील आ रही थी कि थोड़ा इंडियन गाने जैसा है, like पीछे
Then what the
तबले
fuck
जैसा लग रहा है.
क्या?
Zen क्या बातें कर रहे हो?
तुमने बिल्लो को बिल्लो कर दिया.
अच्छा यार
हम नहीं कर सकते स्क्रिप्टेड यार.
बेलो रानी.
वो बोल रहे हैं बिलो से बिलो कर दिया.
हाँ तो
Then don't ruin it.
नहीं, मैं सारे जोक्स एक्सप्लेन करूंगा.
The only way Willow can be
just
an
ate the
Indian
joke.
song if you listen to it अपना दिमाग बंद करके.
हाँ नहीं आंखें बंद करो इमेजिन करो कि विलो का लिरिक्स हट गया है, सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक है और सामने एक एक्ट्रेस है इंडियन जो दुपट्टा ऐसे करके कर रही है.
वो स्पाइडरमैन वाला डांस.
I agree.
स्पाइडरमैन. तूने चुराया मेरा दिल.
Oh, okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. If leave a like down there, it helps with the algorithm, and share it with your friends if you want to. We're on Instagram at I Exist to Spite.
Wait, I'm
We're on
back.
Facebook at I Exist to Spite.
उठे.
I'm just gonna cut here.
Okay.